Hello, everybody. I just wanted to hop on and let you know that I just finished grading the assignments from last week. So you can go on and take a look and see what your grade was. And if you have any questions, please email me and let me know. There's a couple other things that I wanted to just hit while I was thinking about it. Like I mentioned in my email, so many of you live outside of the United States that I can't call or text with my cell plan. So if you are on the WhatsApp app, then I can use that to get a hold of you. If you'd share that number with me via email, then I can add you to my contacts and we can communicate in that way as well. Another thing on your grades, if you attended the gathering, you need to make sure that you mark that in our class as well. I know some of you mentioned that you signed the attendance roll at your gathering, which is great, and that's just for your missionaries to keep track. In order to get credit for it in our class, you'll need to go in online and mark it online. So I just wanted to show you where that was so that you could see it on here. So under content, this is after you've logged into our class. You'll just go whichever week it is. Lesson 1 was last week, and then you'll click on the gathering folder, and then you'll see here this attendance report. And so after you attend the gathering each week, you'll mark that in their respective folders. And all it is a quiz that says, did you attend all of the gathering? And you'll mark that you did, and then you'll get credit for that. So it's a really easy thing. If you didn't do that for last week because you thought marking it at your gathering was enough, you can still hop on and do that right now so you can get credit for it. The other thing I wanted to clarify, I think we've figured it out for the most part now, but just in case, each week there are 2 discussion boards. There's the first one called Questions and Conversations, and this is where if you have a question about the course or about an assignment or whatever, you'll post that question here. That just helps me find it quicker. If you post it on the other discussion board, it kind of gets lost as the discussions get going through the week, and it's harder for me to see it and answer it right away. But this Questions and Conversations board, I get on and check every day, and I'll answer any questions that are on there. And there's a new one of those for each week because I don't stay on that last week, just like you guys move on to the next one. One other thing I want to show you how to do, just had to look at my notes there, was how to include a picture or a video on your discussion board post. I think it makes it a lot more interesting if we can, when we add those pictures and things. So you start your new discussion board post and write whatever you're going to write, and you click on this Insert Image button here. And then you can either find a picture online. One thing that I found is easy is to use, a lot of my pictures are on Facebook, so I could just go to my Facebook account and find a picture that I wanted to use, if it's something like that. And then you can just right-click to copy the image address. And then back there on that screen we were on, oh, it's hidden. See if I can get it. There we go. You can click on URL, just copy that address and add. You'll have to click here, it's decorative, and add the picture. And you can click on it and resize it, make it smaller, or whatever you want to do. But that's how you would add a picture, or you could upload it from your computer. And then another option that you have is you can click on the little button over there, and you can choose Video Note. And you can actually go in and record a video right into your discussion board post. So let's say you really liked somebody's post and you wanted to talk back to them in a video, then you could do that in the discussion post. It's not letting me right now because I'm using my webcam to make this recording, but that's how you would do it. So just a couple of options of different ways you can do your discussion board post. Kind of mix it up so that we're not just reading all of this text all of the time. But if you feel more comfortable typing, you're welcome to do that every time if you want. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to mention. Great job last week. I enjoyed getting to know you as I read your discussion board posts, and look forward to getting to know you some more throughout the semester. So have a great week. Again, shoot me any questions that you have via email or texting me, either on my cell phone number or my WhatsApp, number, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day.